Okay, so I'm just doing this video on my iPhone as I wanted to see how doing videos are. So I thought, why not do this box opening? My Wahl hairdryer died on me and I really needed to get one with an afro pick. So this is the Aliza hairdryer, Aliza 2000 Iconic. It comes with a concentrator nozzle and an afro pick, and it says it has 3 temperature settings as well as a cool shot button. Right, so in the pack it comes with the afro pick, which is pretty standard afro pick, similar to the one you get in the Wahl hairdryer. You have the concentrator nozzle, and it comes with this instruction booklet for those that read these, and this is the dryer itself. Right, and this is the dryer itself, and this is, I'm in the UK, so we have the, comes with the plug all ready to go. And yeah, it feels quality. I only paid $15.99 for this one. I like the way that it looks. It's alright. So yeah, I'll give it a go and see what it's like. Okay, so there we are. And you have this is the fan speed, so that's that one. That's 1 second, 2, 3. Okay. So yeah, so that is the Aliza 2000 Iconic hairdryer, and I got that from my local hair shop. Okay, thanks for watching.